Here goes the team of Miles and Mason. In their third run, still no falls. Grandma's passing them up. Oh, big hole, big hole. Okay, now it's gonna get steeper. There you go, boys. All right, I think that's Miles in the lead. Mason's catching him. It's pretty steep. Look at the steepness of this thing. Whoa, up against the rocks. They're putting on a show today. Today, tranquility. Oh, oh, down goes Papa. Okay, back to filming. Okay, let's catch this guy. Look at that look. He's got the look of hard skiing in him. See if we can catch your brother. There goes Trent. Doing tranquility right now. Third run, 2 falls, both me. Oh, he's flying by me. High speed, high speeds. He's catching him. He's catching him quick. Whoa! Blew his doors off. Man, oh man, you talk about speed. The cameraman can't keep up. My fingers are freezing. Look at him go. There's Grandma. Goodbye, Grandma. Adios, Grandma. Look at them skiers. Whoa! Okay, you might want to slow down a little bit. Slow down a little bit. It's going to get steep. Slow down. Do a little snow plowing. Slow down. There you go. Perfect. Good job, kids. Got a couple naturals. We probably hit 50, 60 miles an hour there. Look at that technique. All them ski lessons paid off. Uh-oh, somebody's about to get past. Oh, oh, adios, he's talking some smack. Uh-oh, they're back and forth. It's gonna get steep again. Keep it slow, keep under control. There's your mom way ahead, the green shirt, green coat I mean. Watch out for him. Uh-oh, steepest part right here. It's almost straight down. Oh, he's gonna snowboard the whole way. It's whoever that was. You gonna snow plow too the whole way? Here comes my shadow. And that was a run. Here comes Trent. Only person I've seen fall was me. There's Grandma, your mom's way ahead. This is a spot where Mason went off out of bounds skiing right there. There's his prints. And we're down at the bottom. Safe and sound. We got a little snow on me, but we'll live through it. There he is, way up in line already.